do that?
Well, the Healthcare Velocity Center was an idea that a number of, I like to think of them as sort of elder statesmen of the
Mhm.
Austin kind of venture healthcare investment community developed over a number of years, trying to answer questions. How can we improve the venture ecosystem? How can we improve Austin? And how can we help, everybody can kind of see the energy that's moving, the curve that's kind of moving toward Austin.
Mm.
Not only how can we capture that, but how can we structure that in a way to produce the most beneficial outcomes for the city, for the entrepreneurs that want to come here and live here, for the broader community as itself. And given their background in healthcare and a kind of in a unique way in which healthcare and healthcare technology is really focused around questions of care, questions going back to that idea of wealth and weal and health and what is good, how do we produce abundance, have this idea to take their knowledge and the networks they've built, the legacy of all of the years that they've put into their own careers, to leverage those networks to create wealth for the city of Austin, for the community, not only the entrepreneurs and the investors and the whole ecosystem, but for every kind of shareholder and stakeholder that touches this both nationally and internationally. So it's a very exciting project. It's not a, I wouldn't think of it as directly a family office project, but you can see the overlap, in questions of how do we create this is a more, the telos, if we go back to that, the aim or the goal of HVC is aligned in that question of being future oriented, thinking about how do we produce abundance, how do we produce better outcomes for the city of Austin, for entrepreneurs, for the capital ecosystem as it exists, and that's what we're building. And it's a fun project to work and to again learn from these, as I kind of lovingly call them, these kind of elder statesmen and other kind of experienced participants and board of directors and everything. And that's what we're in the process of building. And it's a really great time. It's a great time to work in Austin because Austin is going under such tremendous change, and it's very exciting to be a part of that.